loves, so jumping right into this video, I am starting off by priming my eyes using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm applying it with this Coastal Scents eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to blend it out with my fingers and afterwards set it using my Airspun powder.
Hola, hola.
And now I'm just applying my Sacha Buttercup powder under my eyes to catch any fallout that I might get when applying my shadows. Now going in with my Morphe 35B palette, I'll be only using 2 shades from this, and it's that light pink one at first. I'm going to be using that as my transition color. And now to deepen up my crease, I'm applying this deeper pink. And I'm just working on creating a nice gradient effect for when I apply the deeper cranberry color. Now taking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going in with the color Jax, and I'm applying this, I'm packing this all over my lid. Before I blend everything out, it is going to look a bit crazy, a bit raggedy, but everything's going to come together. And I will just be picking up the same colors from the Morphe 35B palette, applying the same color that I applied into my crease to blend the two together, and then applying my transition color on top. And the blending game is a tedious one, but the end result is so beautiful. It's so worth it.
Hola, hola.
Now going in with my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, I am taking the color Jezebel and applying it on the outer half of my eye. And now I'm taking the color Zori and I will be applying that to my tear duct and also my brow bone. Now I'm just dusting away the setting powder, and then the same colors that I applied on my eye, I will be applying it to my lower waterline, or my lower lash line.
Hola, hola.
I'm using this Physicians Formula eyeliner and lining my waterline. And now I'm just going in with Jax just to blend out my waterline. And now I'm using this NYX Wicked Lashes. I think the style is WL105. Applying them off camera. And then adding my e.l.f. black mascara to just blend everything together. And I did get some mascara on my face, and to get it off, I'm just sitting back waiting for it to dry. And while I'm doing that, I'm applying this CoverGirl 275 lipstick. And then on top, I'm using Birthday Suit by Tarte. And then I'm using a spoolie to just flake away the mascara that I got there after it dried. I never made love, I never made love, I never made love, I never. And this is the first lip combination. I never made love, I never made.
Hola, hola.
I never made love, 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 love. I never made love, 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 love. Since I never made love. And now I'm going in with Color Pops. I'm pretty sure this is More Better. Yes. Going in with Color Pops More Better. And this is just a vibrant look. I wanted something more cranberry, but I was just testing. So to get a more cranberry look, I'm going in with Bad Habit. Put it down, 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 get it, 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 put it down, down, get it, 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 get it, put it down, down, get it. And now I'm going on top with NYX's Lip Lingerie, and that one is Satin Ribbon. And to get a darker nude, I'm going in with Southern Beauty. This is in the color Lance. And I'm just lining the outside of my lips, and I go back in afterwards with the Lip Lingerie just to blend.
I never made love. I never made love. I never made love. I never made love. I never made love.
Hola, hola.
I never made love. Love, 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 love. I never made love. Love, 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 love. Since I never made love.
And now I'm going in with Tarte's, what is the name? Choker, yes. And this is just the perfect nude for me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.